What's up, Mopar Fam? It's ya boy at Fred Easy. What's going on? Today, on this glorious blue sunny sky day, we're taking a look at an absolutely beautiful 1968 Plymouth Barracuda Fastback. Yeah, that's right. Let's get it. This baby originally was packed with a 5.6 liter 340. But today it's got a 372 stroker kit. On top of that, we have a 750 Holley Carburetor. But I'm gonna stop right here. Let's go ahead and chat with the owner about this Mopar Beauty.
It's a 340 block, and it's original 340, 69.
Yeah.
And I made it into a 372 stroker. It had to have machined. They don't make push rods for this, so the push rods had to be machined and made by hand, like not hand machines or whatever, you know. And then it's roller rockers with solid lifters, so that's another little machining thing that they had to do. And it's internally balanced. The crank's internally balanced. It's I got I-beam forged rods, like connecting rods.
How does it perform with track bars on it? Just straight line?
Well, because I put a 373 Sherlock full locker, Sure Grip full locker rear end in it. Turn a corner, it's just like
as it should be, as it should be.
Yeah.
So why'd you pick this guy?
I've wanted one of these cars since my mom had a 69, and I wanted one since she got rid of hers when I was about 10 years old. This car is worth a lot more to me than what it's actually worth in money-wise.
Right, and the paint was exactly what it was? Did you need body work on that?
No, I haven't done no body work at all. I just redid the complete drivetrain.
That nice, yeah. Nice. And I see that you have a Hurst shifter in there too.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, it's a slap shift.
Yeah.
But I don't like it.
You don't like it?
I'm probably gonna change. I'm probably gonna. I got the tranny done too. It's a 727 tranny, and it's got red line gears in it and all that. And I had it shift kit in it and all that kind of stuff. And everything is. I had the tranny built to match the motor in the rear end. But I'm not thinking I like the automatic. I'm thinking I'm gonna put a 4-gear in it.
Nice. So is that going to be so that's your next future?
The next project I got, because it's all manual. It's manual brakes all the way around, manual steering, everything. My next money I'm putting into it is going to be I'm putting disc brake on the front.
Yeah.
It's all drum all the way around.
Really?
Oh yeah, you don't stop.
That's classic. Oh man.
You could go, but you don't stop.
Yeah. Are you happy with the motor?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So it's done. Then now you got to worry about the brakes, and after that.
Yeah. Now I just do like cosmetic stuff now. The motor and everything like that. Other than the tranny, I don't like the way the tranny. It works good, but I don't like the way it works. Not like the way I want it to be.
How would you like it to work?
I like to be able to grab the gear when I want it.
When you want it.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like instead of using it as a kickdown, because it's straight. It's almost like a 3-speed, like the old 2-speed Ultra Glide, is how it's built. So the pressures and everything inside, I can get it rebuilt, I guess, and get the pressures changed on it and all that kind of stuff and everything in the valve body. But I think I like because I want to play with it, so I think a standard would be better.
Nice.
So I just put a 4-gear in it.
Yeah. So that's what kind of Holley? What's the 4-barrel again? 750.
750. Single pump too. I want to put a double pump on it. The 750 is big enough, but the single pump isn't enough. So I think I'm gonna go with a double pump on it.
And you change the jets to the biggest size, eh?
They're not the biggest, but I haven't gone bigger. They come with 72s originally. Yeah. I put 78s in them, and I could probably go even bigger. It could probably use more even, but then you're over fueling a carburetor that's not going to be able to handle it probably, something, right? So probably better off just put another carb on it.
How much horsepower do you think you're pulling on this baby?
It's just right in about the 600.
Woo! That's what I'm talking about, baby.
But it's good. It's a straight line car. It's a 68.
Hey.
It don't corner.
Yeah. So this is a 68 Barracuda. Can we light her up? Smokes. Oh, we got in the ride along. This is amazing. Light her up.
Right there?
Yep.
Beautiful. Got it all on cam. Oh, beautiful. And you can rip her out of here. Feels good, nice and tight.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's steering. They're all manual steering and old standard everything. It's not so bad.
That is what I'm talking about. Love it. Whoa, what a ride. Thanks for watching this amazing Mopar, everyone. Please hit the subscribe button and the bell for notifications. I would really appreciate it. Take care, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.